Alright, it's 3 a.m. I'm about done for the day. I'm pretty tired and beat. Been a long, hard day. Getting some stuff done, but not going very quickly. Got some help today, which is good. Just not enough to get what I need done. So, appreciate the help I'm getting, but it's just not enough to get it out here in time. So we get the trailer unloaded, hauled this up to storage. Got it done today. So truck and trailer loaded. There's another full load sitting right here. I need to do a load a day minimum to get out of here on time. That's just not happening. Don't have enough people, enough time to do it. So anyway, I'll get a lot of this on the trailer in a couple days. I'll have that all on the trailer. I can either move machinery or I can move junk. I can't do both. So we got a lot done on this the other day here on the shelving. Knocked down a few more layers of it. So anyway, it's just getting done. So I'm tired. Getting a lot of sleep again last night, but some. So I got the trailer hooked up, trying to get the hoeing onto there tonight so I can haul it home and get something done. Got the truck filled up full of honing supplies and arbors and all the stuff for the hone. There's some weight there, let me tell you. So when it's 3 o'clock, I got home. I got back to work here about 10:30 maybe, I don't remember. I got this fixed finally. And those are on the charger for a day and a half. They don't work. Race bike, trailer winch battery works. That's what I used. So I got the hone all cleaned up here. All the stuff off. I haven't drained the hone yet. The oil and wiped it all down yet. I haven't done any of that yet. So there's another 3 hours of prep work before we even attempt to start putting on the trailer. And of course, then I got to move the workbench first, which means I got to get the drawers out of it and do an hour work there. So it's just not happening. The head machine goes next. I haven't even started on clearing all that stuff off yet. And that's 2-3 days of work right here. So I'm going to grab some heavy ass stuff and haul it home tonight from the mill. That being a device and dangle table are going home for sure. And not room for the cutters yet, so I have to figure out going to make a spot for those. So I'll haul a couple things home for sure that we're going to use. Most of this other stuff here is going to go into the trailer to go to the mountains. Go up storage. So that shelf right there we're going to keep. That shelf there. Probably that shelf there. 3 shelves there. 2 shelves there. 6 shelves we're keeping. Clamps I'll keep. 7 shelves. And that's probably about it. So, oh well. Alright, well, I'm going to get out of here. Like I said, I'm beat. Tired. Need sleep. That'll be another 3-4 hours from now before that happens. I still got to unload the truck tonight and get cleaned up. Kick the dog. Or at least I should be anyway. So anyway, I got a lot of work to do. Alright, that's it for tonight. We're getting out of here.